Okay, I suppose this is as good a time as any to see if we can get this pulled off. First thing I'm going to do is show you how you bind the radio transmitter module to the receiver. What I'm going to show you with is a Turnigy 9X that's been upgraded with a higher end board that basically works similar to a Taranis FR Sky X9D. So the first thing you want to do is on the back of the chiplrs transmitter, you've got a bind button right smack in the middle. So you hold that down when you're turning on the radio.
Welcome to ER Sky 9X.
And if you did it right, it will start beeping. And as long as you hear it beeping, you can then power on the receiver, and you'll see the lights on the receiver go on, which means it's bound. Now, in order to complete it, you have to turn everything off and basically power cycle it one more time. So we'll turn the receiver back on, and then we'll turn the receiver on. And you'll see now it's just showing you the blue light, and in fact your radio has been bound. Next step, let's say for example we want this to be our failsafe position. So we've got the stuff in the positions we want, and then we hit that bind button again until you see that light. For just a split second there, the red light on the receiver came on. So we've got our stuff working the way it's supposed to, and then we lose, and you see the servos just move to their failsafe position. So step number one, binding the radio. Step number two, activating the failsafe positions. You can see that the servos move back to their original position after the radio contact was reestablished. The next step, and I'll do this in the next video because we need to set up some equipment on the computer, but basically at this stage we now have a working setup that we can use in the submarine. But I'll show you in the next video the configurator and how we can set a couple of the more advanced functions.